Okay, as they used to say on Monty Python, and now for something completely different. This Saturday, instead of Sharp Saturday, we're gonna do a subscription box Saturday. We're gonna do 4 Battlbox videos and 1 Crate Club video, kind of a mini marathon, because I'm really behind on getting them posted. And I went on an elk hunt about a week and a half ago, right the week of Thanksgiving, and I kind of got really further behind on all my videos, so there'll be an elk hunt video coming out soon. But today, we got 5 subscription box videos for you, so I know that's a lot for one day, but I hope you enjoy them. This one is Battlbox Mission 78. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. So, once again, the folks at Battlbox were kind enough to send me one of their monthly subscription boxes so I could show it to you. And I do this just so you can develop a library of resources to go back and see examples of what you might expect if you decide to maybe explore Battlbox a little further. If you do, you can go to battlbox.com, use the coupon code SURV10. I'll put that down here. You can save 10% on your first order. If you want to know about the prices, you can check that there too, because they may change by the time you watch this video. So anyway, this is going to be just an example of what you might expect. Every time there are mystery boxes, so they're kind of a surprise. So I thought we would just surprise each other here, because I've not even opened this one yet. You can see it's still taped. So let's just see what is in this one. This is Mission 78. We'll get right to it. And if you're not familiar with Battlbox, what they are is they're a monthly subscription box with 4 different levels. Each level you pay a little more money and you get a little more stuff. So let's see what is in this month's box. So first of all, it comes with this little air pillow. I guess you could, this is a special bonus you could use for backpacking. I'm just kidding, right? So anyway, every month it comes with a little mission brief, tells you what's in there and what the assigned value is. This is Mission 78, and so let's just see what the first, no, here we go, okay. The basic box is the first level, and at the basic box, this is the kind of stuff you're gonna get. First of all, we have some temp and toss forehead thermometers. There's 6 of these, they're just disposable, and so I don't know about you, but it seems like several places I go, especially I've got a couple of jobs I work at, that they have to check your temperature every single time to make sure you're not running a fever and not carrying some sort of deadly disease. So this is accurate in 15 seconds. This is a $13.99 value, so pretty handy to have in your med kit, not just for screening people, but to see if you or your kids have got a fever in an emergency situation. So that's pretty cool. The next item in the basic box is this ReadyWise Adventure Meals Early Dawn Breakfast Skillet. And this one has eggs, sausage, peppers, and breakfast seasoning combined to make the perfect morning scramble. And this is 2.5 servings per container. Each serving is 190 calories, so that is 380 plus 85, about 400 something calories. Actually, it's on here, 470 calories per container, 21 grams of protein. Sounds like it might be pretty tasty, and that's an $8.98 value. Always good to have some emergency food. Next on the list here are some, oh, and they opened. And you know what I thought these were? I thought these were little styrofoam packing pellets, because the package is open, but no. Hang on, let me show you. There's a bunch of them suckers in here too, man. These are Bigfoot Bushcraft Fire Starter, rain, shine, wet or windy, start your fire with just a single spark, and 100% waterproof Bigfoot Bushcraft fire plugs. So let me get them all in here, show you how many's in here. Man, there's a bunch of these things. I mean, there's enough of them that I really thought it was packing material, because it says there are made in Colorado. Doesn't say how many there are in here, but there's a bunch apparently. Man, this is complete professional video recording right here now. See, this is what happens when you don't open things before and you get a surprise. Because had I looked at this thing before, this is how you know I'm not cheating. Because had I looked at it before, I would have put all this back in the bag nice and neat. It wouldn't be wasting your time picking it all up. And I may ask Allison, my excellent #1 top shelf video editor to cut this out, we'll see. But if you need a video editor, by the way, Allison rocks the house. So it's Big Craft, Bushcraft, and here they are. And you saw them, they're little pink plugs. And you want to try one out just real quickly, just for the heck of it. You want to? You want to, as we say in Georgia? Because I just happen to have in my hot little pocket here a ferro rod with an attached gas cylinder, butane cylinder. Well, maybe you need to fluff it a little bit. Let's fluff it some. Oh man, it's got all kinds of gooiness in it. There it goes. It's burning, so put it out now. Okay, so there's that. Then finally, the last item in the basic box is a Flitz gun knife care kit, which includes a, what is this? A microfiber cloth, thick and thirsty microfiber cloth, tactical matte finish cleaner, ceramic gun sealant. Okay, so hydrophobic sealant, so it keeps your shell coating, and it's got some metal polish. So, and that has a $24.95 value. So if you like to keep your guns all nice and shiny, this could be really good for you. I don't really care about my guns being shiny, but you certainly care about it being clean, and also knives and stuff clean. So that's pretty cool there. So that's everything in the basic box. The next level after the basic box is the advanced box. And at the advanced box, you get everything in the basic box plus some more stuff. This month, some more stuff is this Cat brand neck light, 200 lumens. Which I think is pretty stinking cool. It's a great idea. I don't know why I didn't think of this one, because I very often wear my headlamp around my neck because it's on my nerves, or I'm wearing a hat or whatever. This one actually allows you to direct it. So it's got little swivels here, 2 lights on it. It goes around your neck, and you can point them whichever direction you want to. So you can have it pointed down, you can have it pointed out. I think that's pretty cool. The price on this is $29.99, and that's everything in the advanced box. Next level is the Pro Box. This is a PD100 full face respirator gas mask, and it's from Parcel Distribution, and it's an industrial gas mask sold by Parcel. And so let's have a look at it, see what it's got in here. It's got this full face style gas mask, like so. It's got a rubber, kind of a rubber harness that goes around your head, a 5-point harness. Has a nose cup here, a full face shield with a peel off on it, and it comes with 2 of these little some sort of cartridges. I don't know which cartridges these are. It says these are filter cartridges. So filter cartridge 3, protection against benzol, benzene, chlorine, acetone, alcohols, anilines, carbon, disulfite, carbon, blah, 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 a bunch of stuff. So anyway, it's got some filters with it. They're giving this a $99.97 value, which I know is what they cost. So that's everything in the Pro Box. Now, the final and top level is the Pro Plus, sometimes called the Knife of the Month Club. And at that level, you get everything in the preceding levels, plus something else, usually some sort of blade or tool, sharp implement. This month is no exception. It is the Wilhelmsen Copenhagen CHIB Chibs 2-tone 14C. And let's just have a look at this sucker, man, because they usually put some pretty cool knives in here, I have to say. So this is the Chibs. It's a Sandvik 14C blade. Has a little extra pocket clip here, a little patch, neon patch thingy, tool to put the pocket clip on, and I guess that pocket clip is reversible. So why they do that? Because it's got a slot on each side. And my Micarta handles looks like, let's see, that's pretty stinking cool. Yeah, liner lock ball bearing pivot, reversible deep pocket carry, and this is really, really nice. 2-tone G10 scales. Let's see how well she flips. Oh my goodness. It's a nice knife. I like that a lot. They're giving this a $95 value, and I gotta say, pretty stinking slick. Oh yeah, you know, when it flicks open like that, I like it. Nice knife, feels good in your hand. So Okay, well, that was Battlebox Mission 78. And again, thanks to the folks at Battlebox for sending me these every month so I can show them to you and develop this library so you can kind of check out and get some examples of what you might expect should you decide to explore Battlebox further. I hope this video has been helpful and interesting and somewhat entertaining to you. I really appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, my name is Brian. Survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time. Okay, that was Battlebox Mission 78 in our subscription box Saturday mini marathon. There'll be a link in the video description below for Mission 79. Stick around, check that out. I hope you enjoy it.